Say, this your boy B.I.Dub. Hey, my uncle been to the army, right? And sometimes he used to snap. One night he was drunk, right? And I went in the ice box, right? That motherfucker grabbed my wrist. He said, hey, get out of the refrigerator. Man, don't you know what I did? I grabbed that goddamn, what you got, that dresser, that little drawer thing? I grabbed that knife out that kitchen drawer, and I said, you tripping. But I had that knife grip. Like, if you don't let my wrist go, your ass, fuck your army foot sweeper. Your ass is grass. You almost died that day. Fuck that army. That army fucked your head up.